Hey guys, it's me DJ Electrux, and today I just want to talk to you guys about some things that will be coming up in the next few weeks and the overall plan of what's going to happen to my channel these next few days. I figure I'd talk about this since I'm just a few days away from moving out. I am moving down to Oklahoma City to my college of UCO, University of Central Oklahoma. I'll be living in a dorm as I said in the past stream. I've described this process last week, but figure today I just keep you guys informed of what's going on. So right now, and once I'm in my room right over here, I have various boxes here ready to be filled up with my office supplies and everything here. Yeah, all my clothes are packed up and ready, and miscellaneous stuff is gonna be last on the list. So I have not packed up my miscellaneous stuff, but I'm starting with my computer and everything, and then miscellaneous. So yeah, that's going. I should be moving out Friday-ish. I'll be heading down to Oklahoma City. I will be just loading up my stuff into the van for the night. No, we're leaving Saturday. Blech, pardon me. We're leaving Saturday in the morning. I think around 8 o'clock-ish, 9 o'clock-ish, to head down to my college, where everything, all this stuff that you see right here won't be here anymore. Everything will be packed in the van. I'll try and make a video of that process going forward and let you guys see, like, just overall what's going on, and just to follow me through my moving process and going into my new life. This is a big leap for me, and a lot of changes are coming rapidly. So I just want to keep you guys informed of what's going on. So yes, I move out. So to recap, I move out this Saturday. I leave 8 o'clock-ish. I load up everything into the van early in the morning at 7:30, and then I get myself ready, take a shower, and get my last stuff packed, last necessities packed up into the van, and then I head out after 8:30-ish. It's a 2-hour drive, so we should get there around 11 o'clock-ish. So from there, we can relax a bit, go to where we need to go, and then go to my designated moving group, to where they'll take me to my dorm, which I'll be housing in the West Hall at UCO. And from there, we should be moving my stuff into my dorm and setting everything up then. And from then on out, for the weekend and the rest of next week, I'll be staying in my dorm at my campus at UCO, basically participating in the Welcome Home Week, they call it, in which I'll be signing up for clubs, talking with my academic advisors, talking with finance people, making sure my finances are all good to go. Yeah, just a lot of stuff for the first week there. For the first week, there's gonna be a lot. I'm gonna be very, very busy, and I think probably for the next few months, I'm gonna be very busy with classes and all that, and getting adjusted to college life. So you may not see videos from me for a while. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that stuff, you may not be seeing me post a bit, except for the occasional like just first day done, second day done, first week done, and all that. I'll probably post something about the first week. Like I get done, I'll probably post like a whole recap of what I did that week for you guys, so I can keep you guys in the loop of what's going on in my life. But yeah, that's going for me. I still work tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday being my last day. And all day Friday, I'm using that day to get prepared, get all my stuff packed up, last necessities packed up and ready to go, go to the store and get last minute supplies that I'll probably need, last minute stuff that I may need from the store. And then afterwards, I guess we call it a day, and then we get ready for my movement out Saturday. Yeah, that's going. So if you guys want to see a vlog of me moving out and me packing up a lot of my stuff into the van, please consider subscribing and turning on that bell notifications to know when that video gets posted. And yeah, don't forget to like my my other videos. Don't forget to watch them, see what you see, and if you like what you like and like what you see, please consider subscribing and supporting this channel. It would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to a lot of my friends, because yeah, I'm gonna have a future dorm mate, hopefully, and hopefully they're gonna be pretty friendly and hopefully support what I do. If not, then we'll kind of adjust from there and talk to my campus dorm people and see if I can move to another dorm with somebody else that may support what I do. But yeah, that's gonna be going. It's gonna be very interesting, and I am as excited as I am for this like new milestone in my life. I am extremely nervous, so a lot of encouragement would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, from while you'll be seeing my live streams where I live stream here in my bedroom, that'll be entirely different, and things will be changed. And yeah, so that's gonna be interesting. So yeah, I am nervous. I am extremely nervous. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys Friday. Peace.